Welcome back, Bitcoin Adamas here. For the past few months there have been constant bans and regulations and overall just negative publicity against cryptocurrency one after another. So what is going on? Why does it all of a sudden feel like there's a world war against Bitcoin and crypto? Let's take a look at a few examples of these bans and regulations together. We will look at a few examples in a chronological order as they happened. So this first one dates back to September 2021. About a year ago, about 11 months ago, China's top regulators banned crypto trading and mining, sending Bitcoin tumbling. That's when China started to intensify crypto crackdowns. China's most powerful regulators intensified a crackdown on cryptocurrencies with a blanket ban on all crypto transactions and mining, hitting Bitcoin and other major coins and pressuring crypto and blockchain related stocks. 10 agencies, including the central bank, financial, securities, and foreign exchange regulators, vowed to work together to root out illegal cryptocurrency activity, which by the way basically means Bitcoin trading and Bitcoin mining. Next example is from this past March. The United Kingdom wants to regulate crypto. The United Kingdom is set to create a broad regulatory framework detailing how cryptocurrency businesses can set up shop and operate in the country. Next up is Australia. Now this one doesn't sound as bad like the ban from China. So the Australian Prudential Regulations Authority, APRA, has laid out a policy roadmap for the implementation of regulation for financial entities engaging in activity with crypto assets. So this one sounds more like a friendly approach to regulating cryptocurrency rather than banning it. This next example is a crackdown in the US, where a former employee of NFT marketplace charged in first ever digital asset insider trading scheme. So in this case, the former employee would actually know which NFT would feature on the website, so he would benefit by trading it beforehand. Next up is South Korea. South Korea ramps up crypto investigations and regulations. South Korea's Financial Supervisory Services, the FSS, began an investigation into payment gateway services that work with digital assets. The FSS is South Korea's financial regulator that operates under the Financial Services Commission, FSC, both of which are government institutions. Next example is Russia. Vladimir Putin banned digital payments in Russia back in July, around July 18th of 2022. Russia's president, Vladimir Putin, has signed a law banning digital payments across the nation. This law bans the use of digital securities and utility tokens as a means of payment for goods, services, and products in Russia. And next up is India's crackdown on crypto. This is last month in July. One of the world's most spectacular crackdowns on cryptocurrencies has unfolded in the world's second most populous nation over the past several months. Whereas China banned cryptocurrency altogether and the West is looking to regulate them, India is taking a different approach, and that is tax them to death. India imposed a 1% tax on all digital asset transfers above a certain size, deductible at the time of transaction. Not to mention that tax is on top of the 30% rate on income from cryptocurrency. And it's not a surprise that crypto trading volumes, which were already at depressed levels amid the continuing bear market, have since crashed in India. And this next one is just from last week, where the US Treasury sanctioned Tornado Cash. And this one is from just a couple days ago. Just last week, South Korea's money laundering watchdog flagged 16 crypto firms for operating without a registration, which basically means that these companies would have to go through proper channels to get licensed, and once said and done, it would actually benefit the crypto world. This last example is from Canada. Ontario's crypto exchanges imposed $30,000 annual limit on altcoin purchases. So from here on out, Canada-based crypto exchanges, BitBuy and Newton, are only allowing a $30,000 limit. That's 30,000 Canadian dollar limit for cryptocurrency purchases. These are just a few instances of the bans, lawsuits, and regulations that are happening in countless countries around the world. So why is there all of a sudden so much ban and crackdown against cryptocurrency? Why now? And is cryptocurrency era over as we know it? Ironically, if you go back in history, just a short 4 years ago, the same thing happened in 2018, right after the 2017 crypto bubble had burst. Countries around the world started banning cryptocurrency. mining was banned in some countries, and there was just a whole lot of negative publicity around cryptocurrency. As we all know, Bitcoin survived the 2018 crash and all the negative publicity. And make no mistake, it will survive this time around again, even though we have not yet seen the worst. And there are still quite a few dark days left in this crypto winter. Bitcoin will survive. But as far as the rest of the altcoins go, we just have to wait and see which ones will actually make it through this crypto-mageddon on the way, and which ones will get wiped out. As I'm making this video, Bitcoin has dropped 10% within the last 24 hours, and if you have been watching my videos, you know that about a couple weeks ago I accurately predicted this crypto crash that we are actually witnessing right now. I also see some very gloomy days coming towards the end of this year and early next year in the crypto and the rest of the markets. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss out on any important turn of events. And who knows, maybe we can navigate these dark and gloomy days together. We will see some good profitable days in cryptocurrency again. But first, we just need to survive through this crypto winter by preparing ahead. Now, in the long run, after this crypto winter's over, all these bans and crackdowns are actually good news for cryptocurrency, because in turn they introduce rules and regulations to the space, which makes trading cryptocurrency much safer than it is now. Until next time, my friends, stay safe and enjoy every moment.